Thanks, Brandywine General. How you folks doing? Brandywine General is ready for a hunting season. Archer season is now in. We got the accessories for you, including this deer target. Get your trail camera ready with our assortment of SD cards and card readers. Don't let the deer smell you with our new cover scents. And doe-p lures. We got salt blocks that'll make the deer's mouths water. Safety first, with harnesses and vests. We got all kinds of ammo, starting from 17 HMR all the way up to 50 cal, including 22 magnums. We haven't forgot you muzzleloader fans. We got primer, powder, sabots. Don't forget the kids. We got airsoft, BB guns, and slingshots. They make great Christmas presents. And remember to get your license here and check in your big buck.